welcome back to my channel. In 1923, the Walt Disney Animation Studios was founded, and over the years has created a variety of animated shorts, feature films, and characters that we all know and love. So to celebrate 100 years, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I decorated a cake in an Art Deco style, which is one of the most popular art designs done in the 1920s. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on chef's coats, and let's get baking.
For this cake, I baked 3 6-inch round layers of my chocolate cake. I leveled, stacked, and filled each layer with vanilla buttercream, dirty ice, then let it chill in the fridge. I then iced a final coat of vanilla buttercream and placed it back into the fridge to chill. Next, I dyed the remaining buttercream purple to match the shade that is used for the celebration and made an Art Deco styled stencil with Mickey silhouettes using my Cricut. To apply this design to the cake, I made sure the stencil was wrapped nice and flat around the cake. Then I spread the purple buttercream over the stencil. Once the buttercream was smooth, I carefully removed it to reveal the design and repeated the process on the other side. With a size 5 round tip, I added some extra detailing. And then piped round pearl top and bottom borders with a size 12 round tip. To finish this cake, I added a 100 topper, some fun decorations, and a party necklace hanging off to the side. And that's how I made this magical Art Deco inspired cake to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the Walt Disney Company.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It is totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a blast making this cake and I hope you did as well. What a sweet way to celebrate 100 years of wonder. Also comment down below what is your favorite Disney animated movie. Mine is Hercules. If you recreate this cake or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well. Enjoy your magical Art Deco cake and happy 100 years Walt Disney Animation Studios. Bye!